the Turk in purple. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. So this is probably the first time I was ever asked to do a purple Turk. All right. Tactical Unit Rescue Knife, TURK. That's what it stands for. I was able to get some Cryptek purple. I was also able to get some G10 purple, special order. For whatever reason, gentlemen wanted a tech lock or a molly lock for the vest. So stick around to the end. I'll show you all about this knife. guys, I hope you appreciated that video. So this is what the sheath looks like. It is a molly lock for the back, so if you wanted to put it on your molly vest, you can. It comes with not one but two of them. Locks onto your vest. This is a Cryptek purple. If you're interested in that, it also has some lanyards, so if a lanyard hole, so if you wanted to tighten it down to your vest, you could. Just to give you an idea of what that looks like as far as the sheath goes. Kind of a neat color. Again, to each his own. I don't mind if the color's available and I can get it, I will. And I want to give you an idea what the knife looks like. Now again, the Turk is made out of D2 steel, so it has rust resistance. It does have a Warncliffe style point. This right here is not a saw, but it gives it a little bit more of a design element. About 1/4 of an inch thick piece of steel, so it is pretty hefty. On the back end right here, you have a inch lanyard hole. So if you wanted to use it for lanyards, if you needed to use it as a tool, whatever it is, it's more than enough for 550 or any type of latching. Comes out of the box, razor sharp. It is a hollow grind. Again, it is D2 steel, so it will not rust on you. If you like knives like this, go to 3riverblades.com. I will try to customize it to your liking. Like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, guys. It really helps the algorithms. This was kind of a custom build, so it took a little bit longer. I am getting to all of your orders, I promise you guys. So just hang tight. I'm doing the best that I can. I am a one-man shop, and I am trying to do the best I can for all of you guys, all right? If you want to watch videos like this before anybody else, all you have to do is become a Patreon member. It only costs you $1 a month, and it actually helps support the channel. So thank you very much for that. Really nice grip, overhand grip, reverse grip. All right, can't go wrong with this blade. It's a D2 steel. It is a tank or a workhorse. And again, now it has a really funky sheath, drip hole at the bottom. Couldn't have been any happier with the way this knife turned out. Thank you very much, guys. Please like, subscribe, and as always, keep grinding.